What is up, YouTube? So today, man, I'm going to be attempting to do some work to one of my cars that I haven't been touching lately. It's been sitting in front of the house forever. It's got fucking spider webs and all types of shit on it. It was wrapped and I ended up pulling the wrap off. I did it when it was cold. I didn't even heat it up, you know, just cutting corners and ripped down there all the clear off the car, man. So man, I'm gonna try to get this thing back on the road and clean it up, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you. As you can see, I still haven't unloaded the Camaro yet. But this thing right here, man, this shit, hey, this made me sick, man. Hey, if you think I was BSing on them spider webs, look. The clear is all coming off this car. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about just getting some sandpaper or something, man, and because in some spots you can see the paint's just literally lifting up. Look, I can peel that shit, but I don't know, man. Maybe I can sand some of this and wrap it. I already got a color picked out. I already got the vinyl at the house. I just want to clean this thing up, because honestly, driving the GTR and the Hellcat all the time, bro, it's like driving a big ass truck, man. I spent just this week, well, I'm gonna say just these past 10 days, bro, I done spent over $500 on gas, bro. Just, I'm driving one car, putting gas on another car, driving that car, and then I'm out here playing around. That shit add up, and the G is actually pretty good on gas, so I want to get this thing cleaned up and get it back on the road. Look at it. The only thing that look decent is these little carbon covers. It looks the old wrap, man. Hey, man, if you wrap your car, try to keep that thing out the sun. Of course, the battery's dead. What the fuck? Come on, bro. Hey, maybe this car just ain't meant to be driven with a black key. But anyway, I'm gonna run over to my buddy's house. I'm gonna grab my jumper cables. I let him borrow them. We didn't bring them back. Garrett, always borrowing shit, don't bring it back. But I'm gonna grab my jumper cables and we can see if we can get the G started up. At least moved in the driveway so I can figure out what I'm gonna do with this paint. Well, nigga in the quad trying to get it. Look at him. It's funny. Hey, that little motherfucker rolling though. Oh, you motherfucker. Hey, the Challenger look fucking dope though. Every time I look at it, bro, I'm like, man, I love this dry pack. Poor old G. We're gonna see if this thing starts up. This motherfucker loud, bro. Seats all tore up. Let me see. Fire up. Come on. Yeah, she ain't starting. Come on, G. I'm trying to bring you back to life. Start, please. Shit, it was doing better before I tried to rev the Challenger up. Maybe I need to get another vehicle to jump it with. Hey, so if this thing don't get it started, bro, I don't know what we're gonna do. So hopefully, I don't know if I got the keys on me still. Look at that. She running. Bro, look at this. Man, tell me y'all don't see the potential in this car. I know I got other cars I need to be messing with, bro, but like I'm doing a little bit to all of them, and Lexus is like, I'm not in a rush to finish that car. It's just like as I feel like working on it. But this car right here is gonna be my new daily once I get it going. I'm not gonna do anything to it. Well, I ain't gonna say that because when I'm looking at it like this, tell me this thing wouldn't be nasty with an LS motor in it. Like a all motor 6.0 with a 4L80 and maybe just a little bit of nitrous. Bro, man, don't get me started. Don't get me started. So yesterday, after finally getting the car in the driveway, I ended up doing some sanding and got a little carried away with the car, man. Like, one thing that's kind of bothering me about it, I use Vniyl Frog, but the clarity in the vinyl wrap doesn't look clear like paint. It looks cloudy. It looks like a car that needs a polish job, but it's not that noticeable the most. But for me, it stands out. It still looks a million times better than what it did, and I'm pretty sure it's still going to get compliments. It's still going to look good. But I'm actually taking my time with the vinyl wrap. The wrap job's coming out nice, but it's just the clarity in the fucking vinyl is what's bugging me right now. I use Vniyl Frog. I don't know if I said that already. I use Vniyl Frog. I normally use them, but this is the first time I ever had an issue like this. But you know what? We're gonna start talking about it. I'm just gonna hop over here and just show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's windy as fuck right now, so hopefully that's not fucking with my mic. But the cool part, man, it does have a little flake in it though. You can, I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up. You can see the flake in it. Took my time around the edges, everything came out smooth. I took the bumper off because I wanted to make sure I got a good wrap on the front fenders where the bumper and the headlights are. So I took all that stuff off. But if you look right here, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. You see my reflection? You see how my reflection it's just not clear, man. It looks cloudy. That's what bugs me. But when you stand back and you look at the car looks good. I mean, it's good enough for a daily. That's what I'm gonna use it for, because I'm tired of using so much gas in the other two cars I drive, and this car is a lot better on gas than those two. So for a daily, it's gonna be clean as fuck. I do plan on powder coating the wheels again. I think I'm gonna powder coat the wheels black, and I think I'm gonna do the brakes on it like an elephant gray, and with maybe some like hyper silver badges on the brakes, because right now I believe they're red. They were red. They're red with silver Brembo. Oh, so we're gonna go with a light gray on the brakes and maybe like some chrome lettering in the Brembo to make them pop a little bit. I think that should look good with this color. It looks purple. I don't know, like in person it looks purple, but looking through the camera it almost looks maroon. I can't really tell. It really just depends on where's the sun at. You know, sometimes it looks like it's a reddish maroon. Sometimes it just looks purple. But as far as putting this wrap on Vniyl Frog, it's really easy to use. But the only thing that's bugging me is that cloudiness. I don't know. I'm gonna reach out to them and see if that's how it's supposed to be, or maybe I did something wrong. But this ain't the first car I wrapped, so I don't think I fucked up that bad. I think it's something to do with the vinyl, because I do plan on wrapping my Durango, and I want to do something crazy with the GTR. I want to put a crazy loud color on the GTR, and maybe powder coat the wheels a different color also. But we gonna see, you know. But that's where I'm at with the G, man. I wish I would have got most of that shit on footage, but I said on footage. I wish I would have got most of that shit on camera, but I got a little impatient and got carried away. But until next time, peace.